Okay, listen. So today I'll be discussing your two class basically. One is your this lacrimal apparatus, and another one is your the conjunctiva. Okay. So first learn about what is lacrimal apparatus. Okay, apparatus means it is combination of many more structures. Okay, so here you can see the lacrimal apparatus is consist of these all structures. Okay, these all structures. First, don't talk. First is your lacrimal gland, then this ducts of the lacrimal gland, and this the conjunctival sac, lacrimal puncta, then the lacrimal canaliculi, and then lacrimal sac, then nasolacrimal duct. Okay, if you know this diagram, your 80% work is done. Okay, so this diagram is very much important. Okay, by knowing this diagram you can easily answer this question. This is come as a long question. Okay, 10-mark question. So lacrimal apparatus, first one by one see. So this is all on you. This is the eye. Okay, so here you can see one gland is present, upper eyelid. Okay, so this is called the lacrimal gland. Okay, so this lacrimal gland having the two parts. Okay, one is your orbital part. Okay, another one is the palpebral. Palpebral means the eyelid. Okay, so simply just remember, by presence of your one muscles, this is called the levator palpebral superioris. Your two parts is divided here. Okay, because laterally this muscles is present mainly, the levator palpebral superioris muscle. Okay, so here you can see the orbital part and then your palpebral part. So this is your lacrimal gland. Okay, and next the lacrimal duct. Okay, so this ducts is coming to your this glands. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 like coming from your the orbital part, and many glands are coming from your this palpebral part. Okay, and this part is directly attached to your the conjunctival sac mainly. So this part is called your conjunctival sac. Okay, so can anyone tell me this part is called, क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Normally क्या बोलते हैं इसे? Cornea. Cornea together, this is called the black part is called cornea, and this is called your sclera. Okay, so here your mainly the conjunctival sac is present. So this glands is directly attached to your this conjunctival sac part. Okay, so first structure क्या था? Lacrimal gland. Okay, next the ducts of the lacrimal gland, then next the conjunctival sac. So just remember, first there are two parts, orbital part of your gland and then palpebral part, and laterally use levator palpebral superior muscles is present, and here the ducts are coming and attached to your this conjunctival sac. Okay, next here you can see there are two structures present which is directly attached to your nose part, inferior meatus of the nose. Okay, so here you can see this is called your lacrimal puncta. Okay, next this is called there are two in number, superior inferior lacrimal canaliculi. Okay, next this is the one sac is present, this is the lacrimal sac, then this structure, this is the nasolacrimal duct which is attached to your this nose part. Okay, so this part. Okay, so this is directly attached to your nose. So one by one we learn. First here you can see the lacrimal gland. This is the J-shaped gland which is consist of upper orbital part and the lower palpebral part. Okay, and these two parts are continuous to each other around the lateral margin of your this muscle. Yes, levator palpebral superior muscle. Okay, the next the ducts. The ducts of the lacrimal glands are approximately 12 in number. About the 4 5 are coming the orbital part and 6 8 coming the palpebral part. Okay, next it is attached to your this, they open into the lateral part of the superior fornix of your conjunctival sac. Okay, next the main important structure. Why this lacrimal apparatus important? Okay, because here your lacrimal gland is present. In the lacrimal gland secretes the lacrimal tear. Okay, which is your conveys your lacrimal this conjunctival sac. So can anyone tell me what is the importance of the lacrimal fluid? Only for tear, आंसू के लिए सिर्फ? Yes, see, these are the functions. Okay, first function is the flushes the conjunctiva and keeps the cornea moist. Okay, So this is mainly the equilibrium. मतलब ड्राई आई भी नहीं हो सकता है और वेट भी ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता है. अगर ज़्यादा तुम्हारा वो हो रहा है तो हाइपर, जिसको बोलते हैं ना, हाइपर सिक्रेशन ऑफ योर लैक्रिमल ग्लैंड. सो इन बिटवीन, so this is the equilibrium. So next, the provide the nourishment of the cornea. Okay, next the expression. Okay, means the tear during any kind of situation. Okay, and then prevent the infection. So not only the expression, the emotion. So not only the emotion, there are lots of functions are present your lacrimal gland. So one is your the conjunctival nourishment, then cornea moist, then the prevent the infection. Okay. So that's why this lacrimal apparatus very much important, because your lacrimal gland is present in the gland which is secrete your lacrimal fluid. Okay. So next the artery supply. So mainly this is the ophthalmic part, the ophthalmic artery, ophthalmic vein. Okay. But this is the lacrimal branch of the ophthalmic artery and venas in ophthalmic vein, and the nerve supply is the parasympathetic, sympathetic and sensory. Okay. Just remember simply. Next, the conjunctival sac. This is the potential space between the palpebral and the bulbar conjunctiva. Next class, I'll discuss regarding the conjunctiva. Okay, these two parts of the conjunctiva. So next, the lacrimal puncta. Okay, by which this is the lacrimal puncta by which this tear is going, means the fluid is going to this lacrimal part. Okay, so lacrimal puncta. Okay. So these are the small opening of the upper eyelid or lower eyelids. Okay. At the junction of this, there are small conical projection called the lacrimal papilla, which is present. Okay. This is called your lacrimal puncta mainly. Next, the canaliculi. There are two in number, superior and inferior. Okay. And next, the sac, which is directly attached to your. This is the sac. Okay. So here, the sac is attached by this lacrimal puncta canaliculi, and this is the sac, and this sac is continuation to your nasolacrimal duct, which is drained to your the inferior meatus. Okay, so this is not like, means ऐसे नहीं है कि तुम्हारा मतलब हमेशा ही मतलब बहुत लोगों को मतलब लगता है ये फ्लूइड हमेशा इमोशन के टाइम में एक्सप्रेस नहीं होता है. ओके, तो दिस थिंग्स आर वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, ओनली इमोशन के टाइम में तुम्हारा ये फ्लूइड नहीं सीक्रेट होगा. दिस सीक्रेशन ऑलवेज दिस सीक्रेटेड इज डन. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ द अदर फंक्शन. व्हाट आर द फंक्शन? वन इज द नोरिशमेंट ऑफ द moist. Okay, and then any bactericidal action. Okay, that's why all time this secretion is happening. Okay, so but in case of the hyper secretion, there are one situation. देखते हो ना, अगर आंसू आता है तो नाक से भी निकलता है. So this is the reason. Okay, so if here hyper secretion is done, so this is going to the lacrimal puncta, then the lacrimal canaliculi, and go to the lacrimal sac and going to this inferior meatus of the nose by the nasolacrimal duct. Okay, so next is the lacrimal sac. Next, the nasolacrimal duct. It is the canal-like structure, 18 centimeter long, and which is extended from the neck of the lacrimal sac to the inferior meatus of the nose. Okay, and next, the clinical correlation. Okay, so here just simply remember this diagram. Okay, how this lacrimal apparatus is formed. Okay, so first starting from this gland, one is सुपीरियर में क्या है ऑर्बिटल पार्ट, एंड देन इंफीरियर में है palpebral, एंड साइड में है तुम्हारा लेटरल पार्ट ऑफ योर लेबेटर palpebral superiorlis. नेक्स्ट द डक्ट व्हिच इज attached to this conjunctival sac. Then next this part, this is the lacrimal punctum, then lacrimal canaliculi, then lacrimal sac. Okay, by which here you can see 18 centimeter long one nasolacrimal duct which is attached to this inferior meatus of the nose. Okay, so सबके मन में क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि सर अगर यहाँ पर नॉर्मली भी हो सकता है तो यहाँ पर जाते जाते क्या होता है, मतलब नाक से भी तो मतलब आ सकता है ना जो जिस फ्लूइड, तो यहाँ पर क्या होता है तुम्हारा मेनली, तो यहाँ पर मतलब इतना सिक्रेशन नहीं होता है, मतलब जितना सिक्रेशन इक्विलिब्रियम मैंने बोला था ना, जो जितना हमें ज़रूरत है हमारे आई के लिए इतना ही होता है, तो इसलिए यहाँ पर नहीं होता है. मतलब अगर हाइपर सिक्रेशन, इफ द हाइपर सिक्रेशन इज हैपन, देन this tear is coming from by the nose also. Okay, this is the main reason. So next, see, this is the clinical correlation. This is the Epiphora. So it is the overflow of the tear. Okay, from the conjunctival sac over the cheeks also. Okay, so it may occur due to the hyper-lacrimation, means the अगर ज़्यादा इमोशनल हो जाते हो, ठीक है, सो सिक्रेशन ऑफ द टेयर, तो इसमें तुम्हारा स्पाइसी फूड, इमोशनल आउटब्रेक, ज़्यादा स्पाइसी फूड खाने से भी ऐसे होता है, ठीक है ना. नेक्स्ट द एनी ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन से भी हो सकता है. दिस इज द क्लिनिकल पार्ट, ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ योर द लैक्रिमल पंक्टम, लैक्रिमल कैनालिक्यूला, द लैक्रिमल सैक और द नेसोलैक्रिमल डक्ट. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट one situation is called your the eversion of the lower eyelid, ectropion, which is mainly seen in the old age people. Okay, hence that the lacrimal papilla and lacrimal punctum due to the laxity of the orbiculus oculi in the old age or the loss of the tone, okay, due to the paralysis. So this is called your the ectropion part. So understood this clinical correlation, because one is the hyper-lacrimation, okay, which is happen mainly the spicy food and the emotional outbreak, and one is your the obstruction of the lacrimal passage. Okay, so that's all about this. Okay, अगर वो तुम्हारा आर्टरी सप्लाई, वेनस एंड नर्व, ये लिखना है, ठीक है, अगर ये पूछता है तो दिस इज कम्स एज अ लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन. सो देखो बहुत इजी है, जस्ट ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम. ओके, अगेन एंड अगेन यू कैन इजीली मेमोराइज दिस थिंग्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट the conjunctiva. Okay, so what is conjunctiva? So conjunctiva mainly one the transparent membrane, okay, which is mainly mucous membrane, transparent mucous membrane. Just simply here you can see this is your the parts of the conjunctiva. This is the palpebral, this is the bulbar part mainly attached. This is mainly one transparent membrane, okay, which is present to your eyes. Okay, so mainly यहाँ पर तो नहीं होगा, कॉर्निया पर नहीं होगा, मेनली तुम्हारा ये स्क्लेरा पार्ट, दिस पार्ट को हम बोलते हैं दिस इज द बाल्बर कॉन्जंक्टिवा. ओके, एंड वन इज पार्ट व्हिच इज प्रेजेंट योर हेयर. ओके, मींस अपर आईलिड इन द लोअर आईलिड. ओके, सो हियर यू कैन सी दिस इज कॉल्ड योर palpebral part. So simply just see this red color part, upper and lower, this is your called palpebral part. Okay, and bulbar, valve-like structure, so bulbar mainly your this white part means the sclera part. Okay, but here you can see another part, this is the demarcation point. Okay, upper part, see this line, this is the lower part, this is called your fornix, conjunctival fornix. Okay, so just conjunctiva is very simple, just remember the parts. Okay, so conjunctiva mainly the transparent mucous membrane, which is the parts is the bulbar part which is covered the sclera, the next the fornicle which is the demarcated part. Okay, and next is the palpebral part which is mainly the this part, this is the palpebral part mainly red part. Okay, red part structures. Okay, so next if you cross section of this diagram you can see this is the bulbar part, this is the conjunctival, and this is the palpebral part. Okay, so simply remember the conjunctiva is a transparent, thin transparent mucous membrane which is line the inner surface of the eyelids, mainly the this palpebral part. Okay, and next the bulbar part is eyeball part which is the sclera part, and this is the potential space between the eyelids and the eyeball when the eyes are closed. This is the conjunctival sac. Okay, the next is your this fornix part, fornices. Okay, superior and inferior, see this is the superior part, this line, and this is the inferior part. Okay, so this is the highly vascular part, and then here the mucus secreting goblet cells also present. Okay, and here you can see okay, next the conjunctival fluid. Okay, conjunctival fluid also, the conjunctival sac is filled with the three films of the fluids. Okay, which is the helps in the lacrimal fluids, watery of the lacrimal fluids and the mucus of the conjunctiva. Okay, and next the oily from the tarsal gland, there are one gland is present. Okay, so the blinking movements of the eyelids make these films moist cornea and help the drain the conjunctival fluid into the nasal cavity by the nasolacrimal duct. Okay, it is attached. So next the nerve supply. देखो यहाँ पर बहुत इजी है, तुम ऑप्थेल्मिक नर्व, ऑप्थेल्मिक आर्टरी, ऑप्थेल्मिक वेन ऐसे याद रखना है. ठीक है, तो द palpebral conjunctival part means the upper part, eyelid part, is supplied by the ophthalmic nerve, and this palpebral conjunctiva means the lower part, palpebral part is by the maxillary nerve. Okay, because here This is called your maxilla. This is the mandible. Okay, maxilla bone present here. Okay. Next, the artery supply. Basically, the ophthalmic artery. Next, the venous also, the ophthalmic vein. Just simply remember this thing. Then next, the pre-auricular lymph nodes are present. Okay. And next, the clinical correlation. Conjunctivitis. See na here, red eye. Okay, conjunctivitis. It is happen any kind of infections. Okay. Any kind of trauma also, the red eye is happening. Okay. So, and one more situation is the trachoma is a granular conjunctivitis caused by the trachoma virus. It is the contagious, okay, and the commonest cause of the blindness in India. Next, the very important thing in the medicine also, in the physiology also, you can see by the which conjunctiva question also come. Yes, in the lower palpebral part and the upper palpebral part. Lower palpebral part is C for which situation? Doctor देखता है pallor means the anemia देखते हैं, okay, and the upper part is C for the jaundice because of sclera, yellowish discoloration of the sclera, okay, that's why. So that's all about this 2 class, okay, but always remember conjunctiva to just you remember, but lacrimal apparatus to very much important, okay, important question, long questions are coming, okay. That's all about this class.